Hello, Pat Skeets here from meandmycricket.com. Today I'm going to do a fun page of my garden. I like growing some vegetables, so I have a couple of little garden patches in my yard. So my granddaughter does come to visit every summer and stay with me for a while. So this is her harvesting some beans and stuff. She has a basket of peppers and tomatoes and things that she's already picked. So this is her harvesting in the backyard from the veggie garden. They don't have veggies at their place, so she enjoys doing that. And I love taking pictures of the garden and that. My husband loves it, so I like scrapbooking. So I've chosen paper today. This is the background. It's a check, a very fine green check. And this is from the Creative Memories Totally Tonal Green collection. And then I've chosen this paper because it has all these different veggies and things on it. And it is from this Park Lane from the garden. I believe this is from Joann's. I love this pad. It has the most beautiful garden papers in it. Very pretty. I'm in love with them. So that's where we're starting from today. I have one 5x7 and two 4x6s. So I placed my photos. And because this paper is in a border, it runs in borders, I'm going to crop it in pieces like that. So I just put these up here to have you pick a patterned paper. But if you didn't have anything veggie kind of, you could do those. Anyway, I just picked this for a printed paper. And if you just click on that and close the eye beside it where I grouped it all, so the whole thing will disappear. You can just forget about cutting out any of that. And the same with this top banner. It'll disappear too. All you have to cut out is the frame and these veggies and this title as well as that one. So I will open that up again. Okay, so I found this little grouping of vegetables. So I did it twice. I put it once here, and I'm going to put it on this page over here. And then I found this in Access. It's called Vegetables, and then this one was Tomatoes. So I'm using both of those titles. And this harvest sign I thought was perfect, so I'm going to stick it at the side over there. And when I saw this image of zucchini, when I searched vegetables, this zucchini came up, and I thought, oh, if I use 4 of them, they were so long and slim, I can make a frame around the photo with it. So I did. I grouped it, but that's just 4 separate zucchinis that I cut out. They actually look more like cucumbers. Anyway, and they're also on this paper here, so I thought, perfect. All right, so I guess we're good to go. I'm gonna cut these out and we'll put it together. Alrighty, we're gonna put this really cute garden page together. Harvest time. So I have cut out and matted my pretty vegetable paper. One piece for both, for each side. I think this page is cute. And then I have all my zucchinis cut out here. I'm going to just tuck them under the edge to create a frame for this photo. I hope this works. Like that. It'll go on top of that. And I want the end of the zucchini to be always underneath the stem. So that'll be like that. This one's gonna be tough to do if they're not taped. That's what's slowing me down. There. So that has made a cute frame for this photo. I'm liking that. So I made the harvest sign to stick here in the ground. And then I did some veggies for over here. So that's kind of cute. On this side, I did the same veggie photo to put right here over top of that. And then I did this sign tomatoes. I had it up here somewhere. And I did vegetables to go down here. I found this in my stash, the word garden. So I just cut out a shadow for it. And because there was no title or anything on this page, I thought I'd put this up here somewhere. And it was really cute when I got to this point, but I decided the bottom was bare. And then I looked at my punches to see what kind of a border punch I had. And I had these leaves from Creative Memories. This is called the Leaf Trail border punch. So I got some red polka dot paper and I cut that out to go right along the bottom here. And another one for this side. I like the balance that gives the page because that was a heavy border at the top. It needed something at the bottom to hold the weight of the whole page, it seemed to me. This is looking good. I'm thinking I prefer this title over here somewhere. And maybe I'll do this up here like that. Yeah, I want to spread those titles out. It was too heavy on that, too much on this side. So I'm liking this page now. I'm thinking that's pretty well done. So I will post the Design Space link. Please subscribe below. I'd love some more subscribers. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you're enjoying my garden page. Thank you.